Welcome back, guys. So today we're in the yard and we're doing a little bit of fall cleanup. It's the last fall cleanup we're going to do. It's going to storm tomorrow, but we wanted to get out here and get all the leaves blown out and mowed up so that it can be all set for winter. So you can see I have my boys out here working. We're getting a lot done. We're also going to cut back some of my grasses and start getting things out to get my porch ready as well. So lots of things happening this morning, but it's going to feel good to have everything all done. And so hopefully I'll be able to capture some of the work they're doing. We only have 2 leaf blowers, but feels good to have this getting all blown out and everything. And look, it's getting exciting because it's looking like Christmas outside with the shed, and it's so fun at night with the Christmas lights. It's just awesome. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, it's the next day. We had a little storm go through last night. That's why we wanted to hurry and get all the yard work done. And I forgot to film afterwards because we had a lot going on. But everything looks nice and clean and refreshed, set for winter. There might come a point where I come back and cut back some perennials here and there if we don't have a lot of snow and everything's looking kind of gross. But it's a nice, beautiful, cold morning. I think we're due for some snow this week as well. So the lawn got mowed, the leaves got put away, and we also put away our patio furniture over here, which is nice. We like to cover it with this cover and just keep it out here, and it's protected pretty good. Here, got all our rugs rolled up and put away. And then I just wanted to show you these pretty flowers. Are blooming pretty well, and they'll bloom here for quite some time. So love those. Hi, Piper. And these ones here. Oh, I love having pansies out because you can still have that pop of color in the dead of winter. Well, at least probably till January, then they get kind of slow. And then the ones down there too. So fun. I also wanted to say that I got these plants, and I had these, what are these called? Heucheras in pots out on my front porch. Oh, it's very soggy. And I was just gonna keep them in pots, but I decided to hurry and plop them in the ground, and I think that was a great idea. I think they'll be really pretty here up against this rock. We're gonna eventually put a pathway here, but I'm glad I got those in the ground. They look really pretty by the hellebores also, and then this lavender, so I think that would be a good spot for them. And they should survive better in the ground than in those little pots that I had. I just wanted to mention that too. So anyway, it feels good to have those chores done. Maybe not the most exciting video, but I'm just grateful to have that all behind us. And now we can just enjoy the snow in the yard, hopefully. And I don't know if I'm gonna do a November tour, and then I'll probably do like a snowy December yard tour. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.